my name is Taisha. I'm 10 years old. Today I'm gonna be showing you my game in Scratch. Its name is Feed Polly. Polly is a parrot and you're supposed to help her eat the food but avoid the bomb. Let's play. I'm controlling Polly with my arrow keys. Oh no, the parrot ate the bomb. Let's click on the green flag to try again. Okay, now let me show you the coding. So these are my blocks for controlling Polly with the arrow keys. This is the starting bit. And these are my costumes for the jar scribe, which have many food items. And this is my bomb. If you're interested in playing my game and making your own, my link is given in the description box. Thank you. Please like.